Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make smoked salmon cheesy omelette. Very tasty omelette, easy to make, and I've added the ingredients in the description box, and let's get started. For the first step, I've taken 3 eggs, and to this I'm going to add dried chives, dried parsley. Now we are going to give it a mix. And now I'm going to add cream. And next I'm going to add mozzarella cheese. Now for this omelette, I'll be using smoked salmon, and this fish, it's already smoked and ready to eat, and it's easily available in all the supermarkets. To a hot pan, I'm going to apply some oil spray, and then I'm going to pour in the egg mixture. To make the egg more fluffier, all you gotta do is keep on scrambling it. And now we're going to add the smoked salmon. The salmon itself has a wonderful smoky flavor and brings out a good taste. I have not added salt or pepper to it, and it's up to you. If you want, you can add it. Now let's flip it in half. Now let's turn the egg and cook it on the other side. And while you're cooking, make sure you keep the flame on a medium-low. After 30 seconds, I now turned off the stove, and let's take out the omelette. Now your delicious smoked salmon cheesy omelette is ready. Let's go for the taste. I'm going to cut it in half just to let you see. You look at the salmon, and it's creamy and cheesy. Let's taste it. It's really delicious. As I said, you don't need to add any salt to it because the smoked salmon, it has the salt in it, and the cheese and the flavor is amazing. And the kids, the adults, everyone would love this omelette. Plus, omega-3 fatty acids, it's in the salmon too. So if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.